Welcome to the video, and this is the before pic before I actually do my makeup. Here, I did my brows off camera, so those are finished. First thing I'm doing, I'm priming my face. It's gonna be the F Cosmetics Primer Poreless, and I absolutely love that primer. It was so soft, it made my face look baby soft. Here, I'm actually priming my eyes with the concealer. It's an HD concealer, similar to the LA Girl. And then I'm also putting some of this powder over my lids, as you can see, and I'm blending that out with a sponge. I got the Goodness and Grace brushes for my brows. For my eyeshadow. Those are some brushes. It's a Belt brand brush that I'm going to be using to apply my eyeshadow. Here, I didn't know what direction I was going with my eyeshadow at all. I knew I had wanted to do a little bit more color because I'm really used to doing neutral colors. So, kind of wanted to go a little different with those. So, what I'm doing, I'm just blending in my eyeshadow back and forth. This is just the key to the eyeshadow. And here you actually see me patting the eyeshadow into my eyes without the brush, but with my fingers. I feel like you get more pigmentation from the eyeshadow when you do this, so that's one little technique I learned. As you can see, I'm blending out my shadow, which is the key to this. Blending. And then I also add a dark color to the ends of this. And I don't show the other brow on camera, but I do the other one off camera. And you see me blending and patting. I just showed y'all what's the highlighter that I'm using. It's going to be in Wet n Wild. I'm putting that underneath my brow bone and just blending that out. I absolutely love highlighters, so I have to have my highlighters, guys. Sorry. And I also add a little bit of highlight all over my face as well. Haven't got to that part yet. So I do what I do on one side, I do on the other side, as you can see. Going in with my Maybelline Matte Poreless Foundation. This is for all skin types. I have a bit of a more drier side. Maybe I could have wet my sponge, but I didn't. I just went on with it. Just foundation and sponge. And what I'm doing is just make sure I'm blending in that foundation perfectly all across. And then the sponge gives you a really soft, even texture all across. So that's what I'm doing here. As you can see me continue blending out. And like I said, blending is the key to makeup. And here, I was off camera. I did put my lashes on. So lashes are done. And now what I'm doing, I'm contouring my face and my nose. I'm starting off with my nose area first, and then I'm going, and I've never been the best at this. You probably see my mouth moving a bit here, I'm talking, but I prefer to do this video in mute mode and just speak. So, as you can see, my nose and cheeks, and then I'm going in with that same concealer that I use for my brows. And I'm putting this underneath the marks and highlighting my eyes. Now I'm blending it out with my sponge, all the places that I have highlighted and contoured. And like I said, make sure you blend this in really good. I'm going into the skin with this. I'm not sweeping anything off. That's the beauty thing. Well, the best thing I think with sponges, instead of using brushes, because some people tend to sweep when they're doing makeup and not having. That's what you want to do. Here I'm going in with my loose powder and setting that highlight and immediately brushing it off. I don't do any baking, so there I'm putting my dark contouring my face, so the highlight won't be so dramatic. And like I said, you have any extra product, just making sure it's blending out really nice and smooth. We're going in and highlighting now. Highlight everywhere. Keep going. I love highlights, so as you can see, I'm putting those in my ear, certain areas in my face, and then I'm going in and blending the highlight out as well. Doing me a lip liner. This is actually more of a violet fawn color. I did have black, so I just went on in with that. And then with my lips, I got a matte lip color here, cold red. I had to do it like that because I thought my eyes were hot, but not just that. I wanted a bold lip, so I think that's how I'm using out of here.
Bye bye.